welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Chanel unboxing. Yes, this is another unboxing which is part of my crisis. Yeah, maybe I'm having a middle age crisis. What is the middle age? Maybe I'm not middle age yet. Here we go. Yes, I purchased another bag. And basically when I saw this bag, I knew I have to have it, okay? Yes, I mean, this was like something that I was thinking to myself, you know what? I don't have anything like this. It's like, I have to have it. This is from the 22, I don't know, is it called PC? The Spring Summer collection, I never know. But it is from the newest kind of springy collection. And it was not easy to get this handbag. It's basically was like almost sold out everywhere. And I don't know if it's sold out at this point, but I managed to get one. I did open the box already because, you know, I was so busy recently and I knew I wouldn't be able to record this video right away and I had to check the bag. So I did put a ribbon back on as beautifully as I could, and just to give you like a little presentation to look like semi-unboxing, but truthfully it's not going to be because I wrinkled all the papers already. So let me just show you what I've got in here. So obviously it comes in a beautiful magnetic box with a ribbon, which I just took off, and let me show you guys. Yeah, I wrinkled the papers. Oh, there we go. This is all the tissue paper. Let me just take it out of the box. So we're making all the noise, but it's worth it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Woo! All right, let me take the box down, taking myself a little bit more room in here. So here's the dust bag, and the bag that I've picked up that I just knew I have to have it is dun, da, da, da. This is the denim, darker denim. It's like a navy / black denim Chanel handbag from the Spring 22 collection. Ta-da! This bag is, it's just everything. This bag is me, okay? It's super casual. That's why I was, when I noticed that first, I was like, this is the bag that I can just literally drag with me everywhere, okay? And because it's just kind of casual. It's all denim. It's literally like jeans. I know some people say this is black, but no, it is like deep navy color, I'm gonna say. And I was told that this little print that you see kind of scattered all over the handbag is going to be slightly different on each bag. They obviously made like hats, jeans, some ready to wear, you know, clothing, and this bag also came in the smaller version. This is the bigger version, which I think it's equivalent of a medium classic flap, which I don't own, so I cannot really compare, but it is about 25 centimeters. So I believe this is the medium classic flap. It's much smaller than jumbo. And because it's denim, it's basically super light. So yeah, so like I was saying, that kind of print that you see, that Chanel kind of, you know, it's just different. It's gonna be slightly different on every single bag. I think I was told most of the time they try to stay the same, but there will be some, you know, differences with the placing or yeah, I guess. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Don't ask me. So anyway, this bag obviously is all, like I said, it's all denim. Even the chain here is all denim. It's not a leather. There's nothing leather in here. This little part is also denim. So you can carry it, you know, just kind of fold it down like this, or you can carry like this on the longer setting, which kind of I like it. I guess this is the only, those little tabs in here, this is the only, I think, leather part, right? Yeah, there's nothing else in here. I did took this bag once already out, and I really like that. So what's interesting in here, those little hooks in here on the side, it says Chanel and it says Chanel in here. So yeah, I just thought it was very unique, and they do kind of, they don't go straight for some reason, but I asked if that's normal and I was told yes. So I don't know, but anyway, the hardware is like, I would say it's kind of like a matte. It's gold obviously, but it's not like super shiny. There is a little, you know, little tiny plug. I don't know if you can tell. It says Chanel, like one of those, you know, when they used to put those little stamps on those old classic flaps, basically just let you know that it's a gold plated or something like that. Obviously they don't do that anymore, but it does have that little, yeah, it just says Chanel Paris, and there's like little tiny Chanel CCs in between. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but anyway, so the hardware is kind of, it's not very shiny, I would say. So obviously it does have a pocket, you know, little Mona Lisa pocket here in the back. I honestly never, let me see if I can put my phone in here. Things are falling. I never really, this is iPhone 11, I believe. Yeah, it's not gonna fit like this. Yeah, I wouldn't carry like that. So that's kind of useless. I never really use those back pockets anyway. But yeah, this is the bag from the outside. And let me show you inside. I put those bubble paper, air paper back in there, and it's pretty plain. This is all denim. Again, like I said, there's really no leather on this bag, and this is the very first bag that is microchipped. So it has a little microchip in here. So obviously it doesn't come with the authenticity card. There is a zipper pocket in here, so you can put something, you know, like a lipstick or something in here. That would be easy to store, and that's it. And it's very simple, very simple. There's yeah, it's just a, you know, like a little Chanel plug in here, and that's it. And there's really nothing to it. It's a very simple kind of bag. I noticed that it's, you know, it's very soft, so when you don't have stuff in it, it's kind of hard to close it, because, you know, you kind of push it, and you see how the bag is kind of, it's soft. So if you don't have stuff, yeah, it's kind of difficult to close. You know, like the leather versions are like more kind of you know, stiff, I would say, in a way, more kind of have better shape. And this, because, you know, because it's being a jeans, it's just, you know, it's just softer, but it's just different, you know, it's absolutely different. And I don't know, I love it because it's like so casual. I just thought I can always wear it, and especially for like spring and summer. I think like canvas bags are just gonna be so hot this season. Oh, I'm so happy about this. And this particular bag also came out in the like a lighter version, like a typical, I would say, blue jean version. Maybe you've seen, there's a few people who are unboxing it online. So it was more like a lighter kind of a version, which did not speak to me. And that the, you know, the little Chanel prints was so light that you could barely even see it, because, you know, the fabric obviously was much lighter. So I think you can see this kind of a messiness of the print a little bit better on this, you know, darker color. And I do like darker better. I would not buy that lighter one just because it didn't speak to me, you know. This one was the one that I really liked. So yeah, I am absolutely in love with this bag. So let's see what we can fit in. you know, I got used to it, like carrying usual bigger bags. You know, I have those Chanel Jumbo, Chanel 19, which is equivalent of Jumbo because it's in a large size. So when I purchase, you know, the Fendi Baguette and now this one, those are like a smaller bags, you know. But let's see. I'm gonna transfer my stuff from the Fendi to the Chanel, and we'll see if I probably can fit everything because those are like I'm not gonna move the papers because those are like very similar in size. So let me just open this baby up, and we're gonna start with my wallet, which is, by the way, I will do a recent updates of my purchases. This is the Constance Wallet. This is the bigger version. That's not a slim version, that's a bigger version, and let me tell you, it's huge. But anyway, it will fit in here, but look how much room it takes. Really, when I was purchasing this wallet, I was thinking more like, oh, it's gonna be my compact wallet. No. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of put vertically the stuff. I'm gonna put my 6-key key holder that I have some Chanel lipstick in here. By the way, the lipstick I'm wearing, I'll link it down below. It's from the Dior. And then I have Dior little mini lip maximizer. I have a Laneige lip gloss, which I always have to have it. I have a little Kleenex, and I'm just gonna put my phone right, just kind of going flat up front. And let me show you guys. So that's basically what everything fits in here. I could probably maybe put a pair of sunglasses on top, but that's pretty much it. I wouldn't put more in here. Of course, I could downsize and use a card case or like a smaller wallet, because that wallet takes literally like half of the handbag, which is ridiculous, and it feels heavy now. But anyway, see, now that I have stuff in, I can easily kind of close the bag. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. Now it feels, you know, like has more structure, obviously, because it has stuff. So I think this is going to be, you know, kind of a good everyday bag. If I don't have to carry tons of stuff with me, especially to work, I probably wouldn't take it, because I usually grab the totes because I carry with me tons of things, plus I take my lunch and snacks and other things, so I don't want to take like 10 bags with me. So I probably would not use it, you know, for work, but after work, definitely. All right, guys, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna try to link everything down in the description box. You guys always ask about my makeup. Also, this beautiful blouse, it's from Vince Camuto. If it's still available, I'll link it down below. And as well as this beautiful handbag. And yeah, let me know what you think. Definitely, please give me a feedback, because I yeah, I would like to know what you think about this new baby. I feel like it's going to be such a nice casual, you know, summer handbag. And yeah, I'm super excited I was able to get it, and I'm looking forward to use it. And of course, in the future, I'll let you know how it holds up, and if I really like it or not much. I'll definitely let you know. All right, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!